deer. E is for elephant. A elephant. F is for fox. G is for goat. Goat. H is for hedgehog. Hedgehog. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for moose. Moose. N is for newt. Newt. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for seal. Seal. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for urchin. Urchin. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for wolf. Wolf. X is for x-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, alpaca. B, bear. C, cat. D, deer. E, elephant. F, fox. G, goat. H, hedgehog. I, iguana. J, jellyfish. K, kangaroo. L, lion. M, moose. N, newt. O, octopus. P, panda. Q, quail. R, rabbit. S, seal. T, tiger. U, urchin. V, vulture. W, wolf. X, x-ray fish. Y, yak. Z, zebra. Now you know your ABC.